my dolls, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I go by the Fashion Doll. So today's video is a little different. So I'm going to be washing my daughter's hair. She is 6 years old, y'all. She does not like getting her hair washed, but she does great while I'm washing her hair. So I'm going to show you what I do and what works best for me. She have a nice braid of hair, thick, and it's curly, so I try to maintain her curls. So I'm just detangling her hair, and I'm going to show you the products that I use and what works best for me. So hopefully this can help you out. And when detangling her hair, I always start from the bottom and work my way up to the top. That helps prevent hair loss. Okay, so now that we got the hair detangled, we're going to head over to the kitchen and we're going to wash our hair. These are the products that I'll be using. This is the Aussie Miracle Curls. This is a leave-in detangling mix, and then I use the conditioner, and I also use the shampoo, but I didn't use the conditioner today. I ended up using the Mael leave-in conditioner, so I'm going to use this instead of the Aussie conditioner. And I always have a shampoo comb, and then I have some curl curl enhancing smoothie. That's to enhance her curls, and some grease. So right here, I'm just wetting her hair first before I put shampoo in there. So we're going to shampoo her hair. I wash it at least 2 to 3 times, y'all, to make sure I get it clean. And then I got this little shampoo brush that I got from Amazon. You can find this in my Amazon storefront, y'all. Now, I did speed this process up, so it might look a little rough, y'all, but I promise it's not what it seemed, y'all. It was just sped up, so it looked like, you know, I'm a little rough, but as you can see, she's fine. So, yeah, I use the shampoo comb because her hair does tangle up. Her hair works best when it's wet. It's easier for me to style. It's easier for me to part through it. I do not put heat on my daughter's hair, so we don't use the blow dryer, nor do we use flat irons. I want to keep her curly texture, and I also don't want her to get heat damage, so I don't use that. But whatever works best for you and your little one, that's fine. So I'm just rinsing the shampoo out. Okay, so this is what her hair looks like after being washed. So we're just going to add that Mael leave-in conditioner and What a Curl Wants. This is a leave-in spray conditioner. This was my first time trying this spray. I got it from Marshall's for like $6, and I absolutely love it, okay? I gotta go get more. So I'm just parting her hair in sections, and I'm just putting that leave-in conditioner in her hair, also spraying that What a Curls Want in her hair. And as you can see, her hair is curly and it's easy to manage, and that's what we want. Okay, so now it's time for me to style her hair, which this is going to be easy peasy, y'all. So I just did a little part in the middle. I'm going to do something simple. I'm going in with that curl enhancing smoothie cream, and I'm just going to massage it in her hair. And I'm going to use the Eco styling gel. And we're just going to put it in 2 little ponytails. I usually either braid it or let her have 2 little ponytails. So by it being winter, she does not go outside until her hair completely dries. So maybe like the next day, because I told y'all earlier, I don't put heat on her hair. So yeah, we're just going to put 2 little ponytails in. So she's going to have a little curly puff in the back and one up top. Okay, so now that we have them in 2 ponytails, I'm just going to touch her edges up with some jam gel, or you can use edge control. I use either or. So this is the product that I use for her edges sometimes, the Jam Extra Hold. So we're just going to take one of those little baby hair toothbrushes and we're going to give her a little swoop, y'all. And then that's it, y'all. This is simple. I hope this works for you all. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know what you do for your little one so I can maybe use some of you guys' techniques. But this is the end. And yeah, y'all, I will see you later. Bye. Oh my God, y'all, who told my daughter to be this cute towards the end? I did not tell her to do this. She is so extra and so cute. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.